Alright y'all, we are here with my new Z125, new to me at least. This is a 2018, so it is about 2 years, maybe even closer to 3 years old now. But I bought the bike with 75 miles on it. So with that being said, technically I guess with only 75 miles on it, it really wasn't even broken in when I got it. So really with only 75 miles on it when I picked it up, it wasn't even broken in when I got it. So now I've done a few deliveries, just messing around, getting used to it. And I now have 361 miles on it. So at first, because you know, with the break-in and everything, I guess you're not supposed to put it in high RPMs, but with a bike like this, you really have to be sometimes giving it full throttle to keep up with traffic anyways. I figured out when I first had the bike, it was only topping out about 55, and that one was when it was low on miles. But I was going to work on the highway the other day, and we got it up a little bit higher, so I want to see, hopefully we can get it back up to there, and we'll see what number that is and how fast we can get it going. But this is a 4-speed manual transmission. Yeah, let's go ahead and get going, head over to the highway and see what this thing tops out at. And also, as a disclaimer, I'm about 180 pounds. Then I got my helmet in my backpack, so we'll call it 185. And this is a completely stock Z125 Pro 2018. So also one more disclaimer, when I did hit that top speed like a day ago or something, I had my kind of street bike helmet on, and my motovlog setup helmet is just like a dirt bike helmet basically, so kind of the front is an open face for goggles, whereas the street bike helmet was just a little bit more aerodynamic for sure. So I'll try to duck real good and we'll see what we can do. Alright, so here we go. We got a short little downhill here, and then it flattens completely out. So let's see. Alright, well there you have it guys. 62 miles an hour is all it really wanted to do. And that's what I hit the other day. It was 62. I might have flashed 63 for a second, but I think it was 62 was all I hit. But also, you might see my gas is 1 bar on E. It just went on E. And the other day when I was doing deliveries, it went on E and I went for about 10 miles more and filled it up. And I only put 1.25 gallons in the tank. So that's still almost half the tank left. It puts that gas light on early, which I guess isn't a horrible thing. But anyways, 62 miles an hour is what it did for me, which is, I think, fantastic for a little 125cc bike like this. Anyway, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for the next one.